When is the best time of year to visit Jamaica? So you're thinking about your next vacation, and Jamaica, the land of reggae, sea, sun, and fun is on your radar? Well, truth be told, the old saying, timing is everything, does play a key role in ensuring you do get the best experience possible, depending on your style, taste, and preferences. If you press me hard enough though, I would say the best time to visit Jamaica is Christmas time. With that said, here are a few things that you may need to consider when contemplating the perfect timing for your Jamaican getaway. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button, and do remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. First, let's take a look at the Jamaican weather. If you want warm beaches and long sunny days, you need to be aware that Jamaica, like many other places with tropical climates, is prone to hurricanes. The hurricane season begins June 1st and ends November 30, with a historical peak within August. So if you're planning a trip between June 1st and November 30th, educate yourself on any storm development that may affect the Caribbean and always opt for travel insurance. Mid-December to mid-April is statistically the tourism peak period, where visitor records is consistently higher, but so are the hotel rates. It's a time of year when persons want to escape the winter cold for sunny days and the Caribbean's cool night breeze. As there is higher demand, if booking a trip during December to April, I recommend that you do it months in advance to ensure hotel occupancy and a secure plane seat. Seriously. Now we take a look at the cost for your vacation. Coming to Jamaica doesn't necessarily have to cost an arm and a leg. If you choose to visit during the tourism off-season, where hotel occupancy is typically lower, you may be able to tap into better deals for airfare and hotels during the months of mid-April to mid-November. Some hotels and tour deals can easily be less than 50% of the original cost. The off-season means no overcrowded beaches and greater access to restaurants, tours, and available flights to Jamaica. Keep in mind, however, that hotel staff may be reduced to match the reduced occupancy, and there is a slight chance that the hotel may schedule renovations during off-season. So what do you do when you arrive in Jamaica? Okay, let's take a look at our cultural events. Jamaica is known for its beautiful beaches, but if you want more than the beaches and all-inclusive hotel experience, plan your vacation to bask in the rich Jamaican culture, because I'm going to give you a list of our most popular events, and these are just a few. In January is the Akompong Maroon Festival, and that's a cultural festival that celebrates the war and the peace treaty between the Maroons and the British. The date is January 6th, the location Akompong Town, St. Elizabeth. In January also is Rebel Salute, and that's a reggae musical festival that started out as the birthday celebration of reggae icon Tony Rebel. It is now in its 20th year, drawing reggae lovers from all over the world. The date is the second or third week in January. The location, Richmond Estate, Prairie, St. Anne. In February, it's the Bob Marley celebrations. That's a week-long celebration of the life of Robert Nesta Marley, the world-renowned reggae music icon. The date is February 1st to 6th. The location, Bob Marley Museum, Kingston. In March is Spring Break, and Spring Break sees students from American colleges converging in Jamaica, mainly Negril and the Montego Bay, to let off steam. April sees the Jamaica International Kite Festival, and that's a day filled with kite flying of all shapes and sizes, and a concert. The date, April 2nd. Location, Grizzlies Plantation, Richmond, St. Anne. In May, Tomorrow Today Culture Fest, and that's a 7-day journey of consciousness, exploration, and enhancement through nature, wellness, music, dance, and art. The date, May 1st to 6th. Location, Negril, Jamaica. Also, the Mocha Fest, 7 drink-inclusive parties over 5 days, which includes a Mardi Gras beach parade featuring dancehall household name Spice. Date, May 23rd to 30th. Location, Jam West Adventure Park, Negril. In June, Jamaica Ultra Race Jazz Festival. Jamaica International Ultra Race Jazz Festival showcases world-renowned international and Caribbean musicians and artists, and it's a great avenue for new talents to be exposed to the world. The date, June 3rd to 8th. Location, Ultra Race St. Anne. In July, we have Fun in the Sun, Jamaica's biggest gospel concert, showcasing local and international talent alike. Thousands of Jamaicans and international visitors flock this concert yearly. Date, July 14th. Location, National Heroes Park, Kingston, Jamaica. Also, Reggae Sumfest, the biggest reggae show in Jamaica. Annual 5-day music festival. Date, mid-July each year. Location, Montego Bay, Jamaica. In August, Mobe Jerk Festival. Come experience the famous authentic Jamaican jerk and reggae and dancehall music with an outdoor vibe. Festival is family friendly. Date, August 1st. Location, Montego Bay, St. James. In September is World Tourism Day, a day build tourism awareness within Jamaica and the world. The date is September 27. Location, Kingston. October, Jamaica Food and Drink Festival. If you have never experienced a Jamaican food festival, you don't want to miss this one. Visit Jamaica to experience the art of Jamaica through its food and spirits prepared by featured chefs and culinary artists. The date, October 28 to November 1st. Location, Hope Gardens, Kingston. In November, it's a Jamaica Classic. This is an inaugural National Collegiate Athletic Association Division Men's Basketball Tournament. The date, November 17th to 19th. Location, Montego Bay Convention Center. In December, it's the Reggae Marathon, Half Marathon and 10K Reggae Marathon and Half Marathon. Incorporates the reggae vibe into marathon running for sport veterans and beginners alike. The date, December 1 and 2. Location, Negril, Jamaica. For more information on these festivals, you can use the links provided in the description box below. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you found this video interesting or informative. If so, please give it a big thumbs up. And remember, if you enjoy these videos I make, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking that red subscribe button. And do remember that you can turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon, and that allows you to get an update each time I upload a video. I am Alex. Bless.
I'm on the mission. A mission. Today is the day. Start your ignition. Let's take it away. We gotta ride. Gotta ride. Gotta ride. Independence.